Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 9. Equal volumes of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution of the same concentration are mixed and pH of the resulting solution is checked with a pH paper. What would be the color obtained? So here let us see HCl and sodium hydroxide. HCl is the acid, sodium hydroxide is the base. When we mix together, now what we get and what about its color? If we observe the reaction between these two, hydrochloric acid nothing but HCl plus sodium hydroxide NaOH twice. So that here we get NaCl plus water H2O. So acid plus base give us salt and water. So since here we get salt, so it is neutralization reaction. So for the neutralization reaction, so the pH will be around 7. As we have seen earlier, I have shown the universal indicator. Let us observe once again. Here you see the seventh one is green. So of course from yellow to green. So here let us see the options. See option C, yellowish green. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 11. 3 students calculated the pH values of water, lemon and sodium bicarbonate. Then the pH values in increasing order of the above compounds. Actually here we need not to know the pH values, but we can guess them, because here water is there. Water is neutral, so it is around 7. Lemon juice is acid. Acid means less than 7. By sodium bicarbonate is base. Base, the pH value of base is more than 7. Here the question is that increasing order. So first we should write the less than 7 means lemon juice, and then equal to 7, that is here water, and greater than 7 sodium bicarbonate. So order lemon juice, water, sodium bicarbonate. So lemon juice, water, sodium bicarbonate. So option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 16. That is, a solution A turns universal indicator blue to purple, whereas solution B turns universal indicator orange to red. So what will be the action of blue on litmus? Here you see A turns blue to purple, B turns orange to red. See, blue to purple means it is strong base. Orange to red is strong acid. So here let us note down the points. Here it is blue to red. So this is strong base. Here I am writing A is strong base. Whereas it turns orange to red, this is strong acid. Strong acid. What will be the action of B on litmus? So actually B is acid. Acid you can remember in this way. Acid AKBAR. You just remember, keep in mind this one, Akbar. That means here what I would like to tell you is, here acid turns, here A for acid turns blue, B for blue, to R for red. So here acid turns blue to red. So here it turns blue to red. So option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 19. Here a blue litmus paper was dipped in dilute HCl. It is blue litmus paper. So this is HCl. HCl means acid. So Akbar. Akbar. That is here acid turns blue to red. Now here what happens? Blue litmus paper turns to red when we dip it in HCl. Now here NaOH is there, that is a base. So here remember Birbal, B-I-R-B-A-L, Akbar Birbal. Here what does mean by Birbal? B for base, base turns red to blue, red to blue. So here A for acid, acid turns blue to red. B for base, base turns red to blue. So here we have taken the blue litmus paper, it turns red finally. Again red turns to blue. When we dip the same paper in dilute NaOH solution. It was observed that the color of the litmus paper, here you see, change it to first red and then to blue finally. So your option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 23, in which a solution A turns universal indicator blue to purple, whereas solution B turns universal indicator from orange to red. Here you see A turns blue to purple. Again we see the chart. See, blue to purple means A is the strong base, B turns orange to red means it is the strong acid. So here let us write the data here. A should be the strong base. So here I am writing A is strong base, whereas B turns orange to red. So this will be strong acid. Now the question is that what will be the action of B? B means acid on litmus. See here acid turns blue to red. So here turns blue to red. So option A is the right answer. Now question number 28, that is, to protect tooth decay, we are advised to brush our teeth regularly. The nature of the toothpaste commonly used. Actually here tooth decay comes when the pH of the mouth is less than 5.5. That means here you see more acidic. It is more acidic in nature. To get neutralizing it, we need to use a paste which is basic in nature. So here you see basic. Option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 30. The table provides the pH value of 4 solutions P, Q, R and S. See, these are the solutions, these are the corresponding pH value. So P 2, Q 9, R 5 and S is 11. Which of the following correctly represents the solution in increasing order of their hydronium ion concentration? Here we need to understand a small thing, that pH and hydronium ion, pH and hydronium ion both are inversely proportional to each other, not directly, inversely proportional. The meaning is that as the pH increases, then the concentration of hydronium ion will decrease. See here, P has the least value, whereas it has the most, means highest hydronium ion concentration. So it has the highest or most, we can say, most hydronium concentration. Hydronium is H3O plus. It is the least. Okay, whose pH value is most, it will have least hydronium ion concentration. Now first let us arrange them in their increasing order of pH values. According to pH values, P is 2, so P is less than after 2 5, that is R. It is less than after 5 9, that is Q. E is less than after 9 11, that is S, right? Whereas if we write them in H3O plus ion concentration, it will be reversed. So actually S greater than Q, greater than R, greater than P, according to pH again. Now it will be reversed, means S is less than Q, less than R and then less than P. So here from the options you see, option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 36. The pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ions in it. This is true, both are inversely proportional. A solution having high concentration of hydrogen ions has low pH value. So this is also true. So here both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So here option A is the right answer. Now we see Roman number 4. These are statement type questions. Here option A is to be given if all the given statements are correct. 3 statements will be given. If all the above statements are correct, we should get option A. If all the above statements are incorrect, all statement A, B, C, if all are incorrect, we should option B. If A and B are correct, C is incorrect, we should say option C. If A and B are incorrect and C is correct, we should get option D. Let us see question number 43. Statement A says that acids are sour in taste and change the color blue litmus to red. So this is true. Statement B says bases are bitter and change the color of red litmus to blue. This is also true. Statement C, litmus, turmeric, red cabbage leaves, colored petals of some flowers are natural indicator. This is also true. Since all are correct, here option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 47. Arrange the following in decreasing order of pH values: lemon juice, blood, household ammonia and gastric juice. The incorrect order is, let us write the pH values. Lemon juice pH value around 2. Blood pH value, it is 7.35 to 7.45. Household ammonia pH value, it is 11 to 13. Whereas gastric juice, its pH value is from 1.5 to 3.5. So here let us see which is incorrect. See, household ammonia 11 greater than 7 greater than 2. In that case we can take either 1.5. So this may be true. Household ammonia means 11 greater than 7 greater than, in this case we can take more than 2. See, its range is 1.5 to 3.5. If we take 3 here, then 2 will be here. If we take 2 here, it will be 1.5. So both the cases are true. So here gastric juice is around 1.5, it is greater than 11. This is false, right? And none of the above, this is also false. Now here options C, C and D, these are the increasing order. It is given increasing order. So A and B. A and B are decreasing order. Actually here it is given. It is asked that increasing order. For that C and D are incorrect, because here A and B, they are correct only. Now we see question number 50, and of course this is the last question of the worksheet. Match the following. Column 1, certain things are given. Column 2, here other things are given there. pH, HCl means acid, base and all. So let us see first one. Tooth decay. When tooth decay comes, whose pH is below 5.5. So first one is Q. Acid rain comes, whose pH is less than 5.6. So second one is R. Stomach acid is nothing but HCl. So third one is P. MgOH, magnesium hydroxide, this is also called milk of magnesia. This is a mild base. It can also be called antacid. So here this is S. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4 QRPS. 1, 2, 3, 4 QRPS. Option A is the right answer. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.